Hi everyone, this is Portia and welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my previous video, I did talk about how I lost weight using the sea salt cleanse, and I didn't stop there. I went ahead and did the celery juicing for 14 straight days. So I drank 400 ml on an empty stomach every single day. I still do. First thing in the morning. And honey, I watched my weight fly out the window. And by the end of the first week, I realized I wasn't craving for chocolates or junk food. I just started eating normally, like lots of fruits and vegetables. Then my protein then went very low on carbohydrates. Honey, that worked like perfectly. Now I don't crave for junk food or sweets and chocolates anymore, and those were things that I loved so much, and they made me gain a lot of weight. That's how I lost lots of weight, especially around my stomach area, like all of it. So guys, you can try drinking celery juice on an empty stomach at home first thing in the morning. Don't mix it with anything, and try to eat lots of fruits and vegetables, and your protein, of course, go lower on carbohydrates. If this helps you, please do remember to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.